Good morning. In my last episode, we were saying about four types of safety. So, I don't say more about these things. I shall come to the first safety, that is self-safety. When I was saying about self-safety, I have slightly told about goggles. That is one of the main PPE that is to be worn when we get into the workshop, when we get into the factory. Sometimes somebody may have one improper thought that is to be worn at the time of grinding only. No, if we get into the factory, fabrication factory, we have to wear goggles. And the grinding time, we have to wear face shield also. So two protections have to be at the time of grinding. One is goggles, and it's afterwards we have to wear face shield also. So our eyes will be protected. I have told safety people also tell that if you wear full PPE, then also you won't be 100% safe. If you wear this PPE, your accidents, whatever accidents you may have, it can be minimized only. You haven't been fully protected. So we have to be very responsible for wearing safety PPE, especially goggles, and at the time of grinding face shield. And another one PPE is coverall. What is the speciality of coverall? Most of them are wearing pant and shirt. What is the problem of this kind of things? If some things are, some dresses are, or some other things are hanging from our own body, it may affect very, very great accidents, especially if our pant and shirt that is so loosened, it will affect when we grind or when we walk through somewhere. It may touch those places, and because of that, accident may happen. What is the difference between coverall and pant and shirt? Coverall is a single dress from top to bottom, from shirt's collar to the bottom of pants bottom. It's one part. So it doesn't have hanging parts. If we were wearing pant and shirt will be hanging. So it may be risen up in between grinding or some other operations. Once, I think I have told about it, so I don't describe more about it. When so many years ago, when I was grinding with 7-inch grinder, standing in floor level, and my grinder was in the level of table. One voice had been kept in table. I was keeping job in vice, and I was grinding there. Unexpected time, when we lose our concentration, we get accident. I have told about it in some other episodes. When I was grinding, those times I had worn pant and shirt only. I hadn't worn coverall. So when we grind air will come out from grinder, also air will come inside of grinder also, because fan is working inside of grinder. When I was grinding, within 1 second, I can't remember about that second. Before that second, what happened, I don't know. After that second, what happened, I don't know to describe. But what was visible means, within 1 second, once again I shall repeat the word, within 1 second, there was no shade in my body. I was only with the pant, trouser. What happened to my shirt? I was grinding with the 7-inch grinder. Air was coming inside from grinder. Unexpected time. Hanging part of shirt, it has been caught into the grinder because of air pulling and air pushing. That time air pulled, and this shirt has been kept on the grinding wheel. It was being grinded with more than 6,500 RPM or 13,000 RPM. I don't know about that grinding's RPM. So this shirt had been rolled with the grinding wheels rotation. Shirt's full portion had been reached in the wheel, and wheel had been automatically switched off because this shirt had been reached inside of this wheel, and my hands had been fastened with this remaining dress. So if we bow our hands, how will I be? Same way I was standing with my bowed hands and with the grinder. It means from the level of working table, my grinder rolled and automatically stopped and reached very near to my neck. Shirt's 75% part is lying around the wheels, and remaining 25% had been fastened my hands. In between that grinding, it had fastened me and reached very near to my neck. When it reached very near to my neck, full rotation had been stopped because of that. Nothing has happened in my neck. That time also, I had the switch off the grinder. Even if it is so, I told it had been already stopped because of dress had been jammed inside of this rotational portion. That time also, when it reached in my neck, I can hear the sound of grinders inside particles working condition. One kind of sound was coming out from there. But I couldn't switch off the grinder. I told the reason. And I may have made sound, or others may have recognized it, and they came, they ran to me and they removed the plug. Then this sound had gone out from grinder. Then I realized it had been switched off fully. Afterwards, they helped to remove this shirt from grinder and also from my remaining body. I told this shirt's remaining portion had been fastened my hands and it was reached very near to grinder. Because of Lord Almighty God's mercy, that day I hadn't got accident. So be careful when we wear all PPE. We have to wear PPE. Today I slightly told about coverall only. Remaining class also I shall say about PPE and coverall also. Okay? Work safely. Have a safe day.